Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your driver's license in Illinois. So we're currently here at Aceble's blog post. And from here, we can see and follow through easy steps and guidelines on how to get your driver's license. So step one is you must enroll in driver's ed. So if you're under 20 years old, you must complete a driver's ed course before you can apply for your Illinois driver's license. So to be able to do that, in your Google webpage, start searching for aceable.com, and from Aceble's webpage, just hover your mouse on driving, then click on driver's ed. And from here, of course, we're going to choose Illinois. So from here, you're going to need to take this course, and this is currently $49. The original price is 85. And to start, just click on Enroll Now. So from here, you will have an option to avail this with promo or without promo. And of course, we're going to claim promo. And from here to proceed, you're just going to need to create an account. Just fill in all the details being asked. And you also have an option to avail these add-ons. And of course, add in your payment details. Make sure that you read and agree to terms and conditions. Then proceed by clicking on continue. Once the payment is done, you can start working through the course content at your own pace and try your best to pass the course test with a score of 75% or better. You don't have to worry because you'll get a second attempt if you don't pass on the first try. And if you're under 21 years old, you just have to wait for your completion certificate that will be emailed to you. And all you have to do is make sure that you print the certificate because you're going to take it to DMV. So the next step is, of course, you're going to need to head to the DMV. You can start by making an appointment with your local DMV branch. You can click on this link. So from this page, you can just click on Find a DMV service. And from here, all you have to do is enter in your city or zip code, choose your service, of course, DMV, and distance. Then just click on the search button. And from here, you will be able to see the nearest DMV location near you. And from there, you will be required to take these tests: vision test, written knowledge test, behind the wheel driving test. But this is only if you're old enough and ready to get your license. And these are the things you're going to need to bring. And once everything is done with DMV, drivers under 18 can get their permits during their first trip to the DMV. You're also going to need to spend 50 hours practicing under the supervision of a licensed driver before returning to the DMV to take your driving exam and get your license. There's also a condition here that says drivers 18 and older who pass the vision and written tests but do not pass the driving exam can get their permit. This permit will allow you to practice with a licensed driver until you're ready to pass your driving test. And for those who pass the driving test, all you have to do now is smile wide for your new driver's license photo. Just wait up to 15 business days to get your new license in the mail. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!